All right, welcome home, Bitcoin Truth Seekers. It is Sunday, November 3rd, 2019. It's 9:17 a.m. here in Arizona. It's a Sunday, and the volume is very low. Bitcoin volume is at 161 million. Usually we want to see 300 million to even have mediocre volume. Our market cap for Bitcoin is 165 billion, but definitely we have half of what it takes to have mediocre real volume. So that's not such a bad thing on a Sunday. Let's look at the moving averages and such and see how this is going to possibly ramp up on Monday. Bitcoin dominance is at 69%. The altcoin market cap is at 71%. And if we look on the daily MACD for Bitcoin, definitely are still positive, but the histogram is closing. We are above all the important moving averages. This is the 200 moving average here. Where I can't go get it. Let's see. This is the 200 moving average right here. Anyway, it's right here. It's the white line. We're above it. We did wick down to it. It's a red candle day so far. We have been getting higher highs the last 2 days, but maybe that's going to change. Anyway, it's Sunday, so we're going to have to see what happens when the Monday volume rolls in. But the 21 EMA right here, the purple line, 21 weekly EMA, we're above that, and we're also above the 50 MA, which is this line coming down here. So anyway, if we can just stay over the 200 moving average here, the white line, then we should be good to go rolling into Monday. We just need to make sure we don't drop below that on the daily today. Once again, MACD is positive, but the histogram is closing. So, looking at the whale buy sell indicator, whale buy sell indicator, we got a buy signal a couple days ago. It's linked to in the show notes. A lot of people do use this, along with swinging out of Bitcoin on the daily MACD crossings. So it's worth a note. Looking at the 4-hour chart all the way back to the beginning of the year, we can see we are right between two major support resistances on the chart, and also volume, buy sell volume, right at 10,200 and 8,000. So we're right in the middle, but we are above the 200 moving average on the daily. And so we are definitely going in the right direction. It's very possible if we can just keep this daily bounce going. We've been above it, we crashed under it, and now we're working on getting above it. If we can stay there rolling to Monday, maybe we can keep these nice green super guppy ribbons going. As you can see, we had a good couple days of red super guppy EMAs. It's linked in the show notes. So now we have gone to green EMAs on the super guppy indicator. So let's see. It's all about Monday, if you ask me. Looking at the market, in general a red market today, Bitcoin down almost 2%. Looking at Tether into Bitcoin at 1.79 billion and Tether into Ethereum at 760 million. Once again, market cap's 165 billion and real volume is 161 million, half what it needs to be mediocre. Looking at a summary of Bitfinex, BitMEX, and Binance, we're at 63% longs and 36% shorts, and Binance is starting to not be such a Mr. Grumpy Pants. We're not seeing quite as many as twice as many shorts as longs on it, so that gap is closing. Maybe it'll get positive along with BitMEX and Bitfinex. Dominance, 69%. Altcoin market cap is 71%. And I am a member of Blockchain Education, and I've been a member for 2 years. Check out the link in the show description. There is a nice discount code there, and like I said, I've been a member 2 years, and it is a phenomenal place to learn to trade. There's an infomercial there at the link. Watch that, check it out, and I hope to see you there. Take care.